Hey guys, Heather from Booked on Pickin here. $350. Yep, that's what I paid for this box. It's supposed to have a ton of things in it, but it really doesn't look large enough to have the things that it says that it's supposed to have in it. So this is all brand new product from 888 Lots. They're supposed to be individual items, and so we'll have one and sometimes multiples of different things. We usually get great stuff from them. I'm just hoping it's all in the box. So let's find out if it is.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, in the box we go. What shall we find? Precision cutting here, like a scalpel with a doctor. All right, ready? All right, not precision cutting here.
The slowest cuts I've ever seen.
All right, there you go. So we have got lots of things in there.
Look at that.
Oh, cool. Okay, was this the one that we thought it might have been a bracket?
I don't know.
We were afraid when we got the manifest that it was going to be a bracket and not the DVD player.
I don't think that's it.
Nope.
That's not the one.
This is the DVD player. So this is actually a portable DVD player. I know they're a little bit outdated with everybody having devices and stuff like that, but not everybody has Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi is sometimes spotty. So this is a great option if your car doesn't come with a player.
Yeah, if you go on a trip.
Yeah.
That'd be a pretty good deal.
There's another one. 9-inch portable DVD player. So one for each kid. If you have two. And then after that you have to share, and then it's a nightmare.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Whistlemate. This is a stovetop tea kettle. Traditional red tea kettle.
Pretty looking, actually.
It is pretty.
It would match our toaster.
It would match our toaster we have for sale. All right, here's another tea kettle. And another tea kettle. And then, wait for it, wrestling, WW, is it E? I don't know which one it is. WW something. WWE, I was right. As you can see, I don't watch wrestling, but some people do. So this is cool. It's got all the little figures, action figures, all that stuff. So, hey, this guy's abs look just like yours, Paul.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we've got a bunch of those guys. So I don't know. It says Sammy, Tyler, and Neville. That's who's on this box. All right. Then we have Glad. Oh, they're little baby ones. These are perfect if you're going on vacation and you need some. That's the one thing. When we rent houses and stuff, I never remember to bring trash bags.
Yep.
So this is a good kind of for around the home or on the go. This is perfect. Or keep them in your car, because goodness knows.
We use them actually in our office.
Yeah, so little small trash bags. All right, so we've got a bunch of boxes of those all right there. I'm just going to leave them there for now because I don't want to pull them all out. This is some sort of a bag.
Good job, Heather.
I'm just so descriptive.
Well done.
It's a bag. No, like it's a handbag.
Well, open it.
You don't want me to just leave it and have you guess what it is? Guess that's not the point of the unboxing. Show them the stuff, Heather. Comes in its own little bag. Oh, we've sold this brand before.
Yeah, we have.
It's always really, really nice. Ooh, look at that one. It's like it's a backpack purse.
Boom.
So that's the back of it. Here's the front of it. How cute is that? Little pockets
nice
there, little
bag.
pockets. It is leather. Yeah. And then what else we got in here? We got this, little cinchers, little gold weights almost like on the end. Helps keep them in place. And look at all the... So you got some pockets on the side. You got a zipper here, one big deep pocket. This is a great purse.
Fantastic.
Goes with my outfit since I have red on.
Boom.
That's cute, isn't it?
Heather, you could be a model.
I could be a model, only
Yeah, you
in
could.
Paul's world. All right.
Be a YouTube model.
I'll be a YouTube model. All right, so we've got that handbag. super nice. So we got some more kettles in here. They were hiding. Another one there. And another one here. And another one here. Another portable DVD player.
Now you have 3.
I do have 3.
One for each of our children.
Yes, so now everyone can get one. No fights needed. Until I start crying and whining and pitching a fit because I don't have one. Right? This is a wall-mounted bracket for a Blink camera.
Yeah, I probably thought that was the camera itself.
Okay, so we actually have these cameras. We have these cameras on the outside of our house. And they're really nice. They're motion detected. But this specific bracket has an extender on it, so it gives the camera more swivel ability.
Oh, okay.
So, like, the ones that came with my Blink thing, it only sticks out about that far, and I only can turn it in a specific direction. This one, because of the long arm on it, you can really swivel it just about anywhere. Yeah, to point any way you want.
Okay.
So it does decrease the limitations you have if you get these 2 little brackets. How many are in here? Is it just 1? Or, you know, I'm going to just open it up because I feel like this is too small of a box to just be, well, it might be the cameras. Okay, so you put the Blink camera right in here. So it has the nice little like rain guard on it and everything. And then it's got the really nice extendable bracket on it.
How many is it?
It's 1, 2, 3 in each
3
box.
brackets in each
3
box?
brackets
Oh, yeah,
in
it
each
says
box.
right there are 3 pieces.
Yeah, well, that's partly why I wanted to open it, because I was like, this is too big of a box. So this rain shield is really nice too. It's going to protect your camera a lot longer, so it just pops off the back real easy. So yeah, it'll hold everything secure.
They're worth it. I
Yeah.
probably thought it was the camera itself.
Well, but that's okay, because Blink is really popular right now for home security because it's just a free app. Once you get it, you just use a free app and it records so much space or whatever. But works really nice for us. We have 3, 1 at each doorway. And the main reason we got ours is, did we get our delivery or not? We can see if the packages are still there or if they've been picked up or we get a delivery. So, all right, we have one more bag in here. Some sort of a tote bag, something or other. I felt like we were supposed to have more items than this in this box, but maybe not. Oh, stay tuned to the end. We're going to go ahead and price everything at the end. So you can see it on Hooked on Pickin. Oh, this is cool. I remember you getting this. I was super excited. So this is like a leather satchel. It's actual leather, long strap here. Kind of messenger bag. It's beautiful. So it does buckle and has the little pocket here.
That feels great.
Yeah, it does. So you have to actually unbuckle it. It's got the straps here, so if you want to extend it and make it a little bit wider. But it's basically like a nice vintage briefcase. Yeah. Like if you're going to college or you're even at high school, how cool would this be instead of a backpack?
Awesome.
You know, it'd just be really sharp looking.
It's like a young professional's bag.
Yeah. Or you could carry it too. Like if you had your laptop in here and
Are
your
you
Bible
saying I'm
and
not a young professional?
I'm saying you're older than young professional.
Aww.
So it's a really neat leather piece. So leather bag. And it is genuine leather, see? It's got the little leather tag on it. All right. We're going to go ahead and price everything. Come right back. All right, we got our hookedonpickin.com page pulled up, and we're going to be able to see where everything is. So you can simply click the Shop Now button, or you can go up here and click the Shop button, or you can hit the search button, and you can search specifically for each individual item. So let's see what everything is worth. So we've got the women's fashion backpack leather rucksack, $20 is what we're asking for that. Then we have the RCA 9-inch portable DVD players, $54.99 for those. Then we have the Glad small trash bags, 4 gallons. They are a 30 count. They are white in color, $5.99 a piece for those. Then the men's convertible leather briefcase or messenger bag. One thing I thought was cool, look, it can actually be used as a backpack if you wanted it to. $44.99 for that. Then we have the Blink
home security camera wall mount brackets, 3-pack for those, $9.99. Then we have the whistling tea kettle, which is red, 2.5 quart, which is 8 cups, $14.99 for that stovetop kettle. And last but not least, we have the WWE superstars, Sami Zayn, Tyler Breeze, and Neville. It is a Mattel, and it is brand new, $14.99 for that. So what do we equal out to? We ended up equaling out to $457 in sales. Now, we originally said it was $350, but we're actually missing $63 worth of product that was supposed to be in this box. So we are only paying $287. We've already addressed the company, and we're going to see if we can't get a refund. So our total profit is $170. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.